Manimele from Sachin College of Engineering and Technology, Aranvaimuli, Kanyakumari district. Currently I am studying first year aeronautical engineering in our college. I am going to explain about ultrasonic interferometer in physics laboratory. By this experiment, we are going to determine the ultrasonic velocity in liquid and compressibility of the liquid. Ultrasonic interferometer measuring shell liquids are the apparatus required to this experiment. In ultrasonic interferometer, the ultrasonic waves are produced by piezoelectric method. The ultrasonic interferometer is simple and direct device to determine the ultrasonic velocity with high degree of accuracy. The ultrasonic sound is referred as sound pressure with frequency greater than the human audible range 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. When the ultrasonic wave propagated through a medium, the molecules in that medium is vibrate over very short distance in direction is parallel to longitudinal wave. This is ultrasonic interferometer. When we switch on the ultrasonic interferometer, the waves are produced and travel through the measuring shell. The measuring shell contains water. The measuring shell contains two scales. One is head scale, another one is pitch scale. When we rotate the head scale for 5 times, there is a changes in ultrasonic interferon value. And we have to note the values and repeated this process for 4 times and note the value. To calculate the wavelength of the ultrasonic wave, lambda is equal to 2d by n. Its unit is meter. D is denoted by distance moved by the reflector. N is denoted by number of oscillation. To calculate the velocity of ultrasonic wave in a liquid, V is equal to nu into lambda. Its unit is meter second power minus 1. To calculate the compressibility of the liquid, K is equal to 1 by V square rho. Its unit is meter square Newton power minus 1. Rho is denoted by density of the liquid.
In this experiment, we are using water as liquid. Density of liquid rho is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. To calculate total reading, first of all we calculate pitch scale reading and head scale reading. This can be written as total reading is equal to pitch scale reading plus head scale reading. Head scale reading can be calculated. Head scale reading is equal to H scale coincident into least count. Head scale coincident can be taken from head scale reading, LC mean for least count. By obtaining this two value, we can easily calculate head scale reading. Least count of the micrometer is 0.01 millimeter. PSR can be noted from pitch scale reading. Next we discuss the various reading in a tabulation. Number of oscillation n is 5 because of we rotate the head scale for 5 times. After rotating 5 times, the corresponding value of pitch scale and head scale is noted as 20 for pitch scale reading and 25 for head scale coincidence, and the total reading is calculated by above mentioned formula. The D is difference between total two readings, that is 20.25 and 18.37 in column 5. The lambda and V can be calculated by the corresponding formula. The calculation can be discussed as velocity of ultrasonic wave V is equal to n lambda. 2 into 10 power 6 into 0.752 is equal to 1.5 into 10 power 3 meter second power minus 1. Compressibility of the given liquid, K is equal to 1 by V square rho. Here V is equal to 1.59 into 10 power 3 meter per second. Density of the water rho is equal to 1000 kilogram per meter cube. V is equal to 1.59 into 10 power 3 whole square. V square is equal to 2.528 into 10 power 6 K is equal to 1 by 2.528 into 10 power 6 into 1000 is equal to 0.395 into 10 power minus 10 meter square Newton power minus 1. That is, compressibility of the given liquid is equal to 3.95 into 10 power minus 10 meter square Newton power minus 1. At the end of this experiment, we will be able to know the principle underlying the formation of acoustical grating. We would be able to know how to determine the velocity of ultrasonic wave in liquid. We would be able to know how to determine the compressibility of the liquid from the velocity of ultrasonic wave.